It took me 11 years to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. 11 years. I mean, some people do that in a day. But hey, we all bloom at different speeds, right? So let's talk about the journey, because this has been a whole era. Back in 2014, I uploaded my first video. It was a cover of Latch by Sam Smith and Disclosure. It's still up there if you want to see it. No strategy, no consistency, just vibes. And somehow it got 1,000 views. I'm pretty sure most of them were my ex-boyfriend. But I thought, wow, YouTube, easy. It was not easy. Then came the makeup and lifestyle days, which is hilarious because why was I doing makeup tutorials? Who let me do that? Views, flop. Ego, bruised. Confidence, missing. Last seen in 2017. Fast forward to 2018, 2019. I built a whole camper van over 3 months, but then it took me a whole year to edit and upload the van build series. The pandemic honestly did me a favor because when I finally got around to editing and posting it, my semi-complete van tour episode hit a few thousand views, and right now it's nearly at 9,000 views. I thought the comeback arc had begun. I had hope again. Then the Barcelona flat renovation series happened, and some of those videos still have less than 100 views. It hurt, it humbled, it held me hostage. Honestly, if you watch them, you deserve a medal. Thank you. I kept thinking I missed the YouTube content creator boat. I'm too inconsistent, not niche enough, not interesting enough. But then short form content entered the chat. I was already posting my London flat hunting chaos on TikTok and Instagram, and the videos were doing pretty well. My first baby viral videos. So I posted them as shorts on YouTube too. And that's when everything changed. No fancy edits, no perfect lighting, no aesthetic montages, just me and my phone with videos that I had already taken. And on a random Saturday morning, deciding to make it into a series for everyone's entertainment. And now, 11 years later, 1,000 of you are subscribed. 1,000 people who clicked a button just to see what I do next, which is wild to me. It might not sound huge in YouTube numbers, but it's huge in my story. This little milestone has been on my vision board for years, but this year I just got specific. Just hit 1,000 subscribers. And we did it. Next step is monetization, which means 4,000 watch hours, and I currently have just over 300. But hey, one milestone at a time, right? This feels like the beginning, like I'm finally on the right timeline. Mine. If you've looked at my description, then you'll know it really just says one thing. Thank you for being here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me be a late bloomer content creator with very questionable editing skills. We're going to buy a flat in London, hopefully. We're going to DIY it. And we're going to have a laugh and probably a cry whilst doing it. We're also going to talk about money and saving it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's see where the next 11 years takes us.